on, guys? Seancutshair with another video. Guys, this video is just really for you guys. I just want to thank you guys for watching my channel and all the support you guys have given me. I just kind of wanted to take a minute, motivate you guys. If you guys know, we are right at 4,000 subscribers. I'm blown away at how much success we've had. I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching my videos, all the feedback, everything you guys have done, and take a minute to motivate you guys and give you guys some inspiration moving forward with your careers. So anyway, guys, I got a notification this morning. I started cutting hair 6 years ago today. So I want you guys to realize I get a lot of messages and DMs and comments. A lot of you guys think I won't respond, and I understand, a lot of guys are so busy they can't. I do my best to respond. But you guys look at me like a figure that's where you guys want to be, and I appreciate that so much, and that's what I'm doing this for, is to help you guys get to that next level. But I want you guys to know, 6 years ago I started cutting hair just like you. I was at a walk-in shop for $14 haircuts, and I was just a beginner just like you. So really the purpose of this video is for me to tell you guys really that whatever your dreams and goals are, you guys can achieve it. Just the difference between people that succeed and people that don't is how hard you work and of course not giving up. So, guys, like I said, I started 6 years ago. I knew I wanted to be successful. I didn't really know what that looked like or where I would be today. But 2 years in, I started a shop. Some of you guys have seen the story of my shop. It started out with just me, and basically the goal was 3 chairs. Now we have 9 chairs, and we also are taking over the space next door. So we will expand to having more chairs for walk-ins, more exclusive appointments. And so the shop's just growing like crazy. So again, guys, I knew I wanted to have a shop. I'm just chasing after that dream and making it the best that I can. But I started out right where you guys were. Also, you guys know, we came up with the color enhancement card. Guys, it was just a black piece of plastic. I think I have one laying around. So this is the original, guys. Just a piece of plastic. This is literally a 5-star notebook cover. Came up with the idea, started cutting them out. If you guys know, I pitched it to Tomb 45 so that they could take it over, because at the time I was really a nobody. I didn't have any Instagram following. I didn't have a YouTube channel. And I thought they were the guys to take it. And unfortunately for me, they were unable to really do anything with it, and it kind of pushed me to do it myself. So guys, now I'm selling these at least probably 10 a day. Guys, I got merch. I got my own shirts now. Stickers on the website. I got more stuff coming. And guys, not only are the color cards selling well, but I just got them distributed in the UK by Chris & Sons. So now we're overseas. I'm working on getting them to Australia at the moment. And I've also been in contact with Atlanta Barber, who's one of the bigger barber supplies in the States. So that's super exciting as well, guys. And again, I never imagined that we would get there. But that's the point of this video, guys, is, you can take this as far as you want if you guys are willing to put in the work. You guys see how much content I'm putting out. This is my new office. This is where I spend a lot of time. And that's all it takes, guys. That's the difference. Are you willing to put the work in? Are you willing to do what everybody else won't? And then, guys, the third thing I want to talk about, of course, is this YouTube channel. I talked about for 2 years starting a YouTube channel. I even tried it with my shop. We tried to do some vlogs and not much success. And I want you guys to understand, YouTube, I won't say punishes you, but they really make it hard for you to be successful. What they don't want you to get lucky, make one video, go viral, and hit it big. It's not possible anymore. You have to put in the work, you have to grind, and YouTube will see that you are doing it because you want to be on YouTube. It took me 6 months before I ever even could make any money on my videos. And then I started at $0 a month. I didn't get paid for 3 months after that because I wasn't making enough. And that's not why I'm doing it, guys, but I just want you guys to understand that the grind of YouTube is very difficult. Now, guys, we're hitting 4,000 subscribers. Never in my life did I think that we were gonna get there. I know there's guys like Bossio Cuts, Get Beam, 360 Jeezy. All these guys are very successful on YouTube. And I told myself that maybe there was already enough out there. And why would people want to listen to me? But anyways, I put the work in. I didn't listen to that. I went for it anyways. And now, probably 6 to 8 months later, we're having some success. And it's all thanks to you guys. And I want you guys to know, the way YouTube works, when you guys give it a thumbs up, when you leave a comment, when you subscribe and hit the bell, all those things tell YouTube that the content is valuable. And that's gonna help spread it to more people. And one of the biggest problems is people drop videos on YouTube, they don't get the response that they want, and they quit. And so I really tried to not watch the numbers this whole time. I'm really not a numbers guy. I like to look at them to know what kind of videos are doing well, what kind of stuff you guys like. If you leave a lot of comments on something and a lot of likes, then obviously you guys like that content. But other than that, I'm not doing it for the content. I'm doing it for the messages that you guys send. Hey man, what do you know about this? I really value your opinion. I've learned so much from your videos. You know, I get messages like that daily, and that's the prime reason that I do this. I want to spread my knowledge and help all you guys, and hopefully we can reach 10, 100,000 subscribers. Who knows how far it can go, but my goal is really just to spread the knowledge that I have and help you guys all be successful. So really the point of this video, guys, for one, I want to thank all you guys that watch my videos, especially if you watch them all the way through. Leave a comment, leave a thumbs up. You guys are the reason I'm having success. So thank you guys so much. If I don't say that enough, I apologize, but I hope you guys understand. I really appreciate it. I never thought I'd be here today. And the second goal, guys, was to motivate you guys. I get a lot of messages about just wanting to be a barber. And so I would say, hey, absolutely go after it. You can take it as far as you want, have the success that you want. You know, people want to open a shop. That's why I made videos on how to open a shop. You know, I get messages all the time. That's the best, most helpful video I've had on opening a shop. Hey, go after it. You can make it what you want. As long as you're willing to put the work in and not give up, you can do it. If you guys want to start a YouTube channel, if you want to make your own product, this is why I'm doing this, guys. I want to encourage you guys to chase after it just like me. I am from a town of 50,000, not very big. Most of the barbers around here don't know anything about any of this stuff we're talking about. And so I really went out on a limb and chased after it, and now I'm having success, guys. And I just want to tell you guys thank you and encourage you guys to go get that for yourself. I'm the happiest and having the best time that I've ever had, and it's all thanks to all of that. So all of you guys, all the motivation I get and encouragement from you guys, and I couldn't be happier. So anyways, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Just like I said, all the thumbs up, all the comments, all the subscriptions, that is what helps the channel grow. So hit that thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, guys, please subscribe. I haven't told you, I'm gonna start posting 3 videos a week. So my new schedule will be Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 7 o'clock, and that's Central Time. But guys, 3 videos a week. Make sure you're subscribed and got the bell on so you guys know every time I drop a video. And guys, I'm bringing the heat. Right now I'm so overwhelmed. I got so many videos in my head, ideas. I got 5 or 6 videos on the computer ready to go. And I just realized that why am I holding on to these? I'm getting so ahead. Why am I holding on to them? Let's put it out. Let's give you guys some value, and let's push this thing, man. I want to get to 10,000 subs by the end of the year, and I think it's feasible. And if you guys pay attention, at 5,000 subs, I'm going to give away a 245 power mat. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you get in before that 5K and have a chance to win that power mat. But anyway, again, thank you guys so much for supporting me. If you guys want to support, subscribe to the channel, head over to Seancutshair.com and grab you some merch or a color card. And guys, stay tuned for some more content, and I'm going to bring the heat. So appreciate it, guys. I'll catch you next time.